Hey guys, alright, so I have my new app up. You can see I changed from what I did in MIU. I went ahead and made a new application. I made one that I might actually use quite a bit in the future. I'm currently working at a photography company and made this little app to track our the different schools that we have contracts with across the state. So I'll go ahead and show you how it works. Basic home page, just a little feature, search and browse. Actually there's no browse, it's just navigation, but so feature, search, and navigation. To get your home page, we're going to go ahead and add. There's actually info in here already. I need to go ahead and reset the form. So what we're going to do is we're going to enter in a school name. We'll do Little Rock. Contact name, we'll just say Bill. Phone number. We'll go ahead and say it's middle school, and they've got 930 kids, and they shoot football, or they play football and basketball, and it's a really big school. So we'll go ahead and submit the form. School is say, and we'll go ahead and look at the schools, and as you can see there's already some information stored. We'll go ahead and scroll down, and there it is, Little Rock, contact Bill, all the information. And so that works pretty good, and we'll go ahead and edit refills. Now what I haven't done yet, I still need to work on, is I need to get it to repopulate these checkbox fields. What I did for my for saving it, I went ahead and made a function. You can see it over here, this checkbox data function. What it does is it takes the fields that were checked and it pushes that to an array. I'm converting that array to a string down here and just saving that string to local storage. That way when I output it over here, you can see it just gives one line for the sports that are played instead of actually listing them out individually. So I need to go in and do a little bit more code to repopulate that field. Other than that, clear button works. Display button, of course, I cleared all the data, so there's no data on file. And then you can see display JSON works correctly. We'll go ahead and go back and clear out storage again. And XML loads correctly as well. So overall I thought this week went pretty well. Just a lot to do really in a short amount of time. I have been busy. Of course, you guys know I work full time, so down to the wire. It's 9:58 Thursday night and I'm recording my reflection video, so I just got done a little while ago. Had to review quite a bit from previous classes, JavaScript and a little bit of CSS, getting the Ajax to pull my information from JSON. Had a little trouble with that, but it ended up, it was just because my JSON file was formatted wrong. Other than that, yeah, it went pretty good. Alright guys, so here is an example of an application that fetches remote data from the server. This is the Dropbox app. As you can see, I've got my account loaded up. Photos. Alright, so you can see we'll click on photos and it should load something. There we go, we got a sample album, and here are the images in that folder. So all these are stored on the Dropbox server, and this application accesses their server and pulls the information to your mobile device. Alright guys, another application that I thought of was Facebook, and I believe they store everybody's information in a MySQL file. It's a modified version of MySQL. It's basically a relational database, specifically a modified version of MySQL. This has definitely been a crazy week. I hope everybody got their projects in on time and completed. Looking forward to next week and learning some more. Hopefully I'll be able to see you guys tomorrow night at Go-To training. If I don't, I will definitely tune into the archive. And you guys have a great weekend.